love you. So,
Point ba yan?
uh, in front of everyone here, I would like to take this opportunity to promise you that I will love you and I will always love you. That I will take care of you every day in our lives. Kahit na laging dala mo ang mosquito net, I will accept you and I will love you. Even na napakababo ng luha mo. Na many times nagkakaroon tayo ng conflict. But then, in my heart, I will accept you.
Ate Rosette, mahaba yun.
Kung sino ka. I will accept you on whatever God will make you.
Kakaloko naman yung nagpipicture.
And I will make you to be my princess and the queen of
Abot naman yun.
my children. Dalawa lang naman, di ba? Dalawang kambal. So, mahal.
Apat?
So, in front of sila Dada and sila Nanay. Dada! I will take care of your princess. And I will make her.
Iyak na siya.
Love you.
Wala pa!